Today's question is: why is laundry and clothing care important? Learning how to care for our clothes is a useful life skill. Wearing clean and neat clothes helps us stay healthy and look presentable. It also shows that we respect ourselves and others. When we take time to wash and care for our clothing, we feel more confident and comfortable. Clean clothes also help protect us from bacteria and skin problems. To take care of our clothes properly, we need to use the right tools. These include soap or detergent, water, basins, hangers, and an iron. Using the right amount of detergent and rinsing well helps protect our clothes and our skin. Too much soap can damage fabrics or leave residue. Choosing the right tools makes laundry easier and more effective. It is also important to know the type of fabric our clothes are made of. Some clothes need gentle hand washing, while others can be washed in a machine. This helps prevent damage like shrinking, fading, or tearing. Delicate fabrics like silk need extra care. Reading the clothing label gives helpful washing instructions. After washing, we should dry clothes in a clean place, then fold or hang them neatly. Ironing removes wrinkles and makes clothes look fresh. Storing clothes properly keeps them free from dust, insects, and bad smells. Clothes should be placed in a dry, clean cabinets or drawers. Proper storage also helps us stay organized.